Good morning, dear students. We will continue our topic gerunds and infinitives. Gerunds and infinitives are sometimes referred to as verb complements, as we have already studied yesterday. They may function as subjects or objects in a sentence. What are gerunds? A gerund is a verb in its ing form that functions as a noun that names an activity rather than a person or thing. Any action verb can be made into a gerund. We will form gerunds by verbing the present participle. First rule, add ing to the most verbs. Example, play, playing. We will add ing to play. Same way, we will add ing suffix to the cry. It becomes crying. Bark, barking. For verbs that end in e, remove the e and add ing. Example, we will take a verb slide. Here it ends on e. E should be removed and we should add ing, sliding. Same way, in the right we will omit e and write riding. Ing is add. Third rule, for verbs that end in ie, change the ie to y and add ing. We'll take a word example, verb die. Die, the last letters are ie. We will change ie into y, then write ing, dying, dying. Same way in the tie, we will change ie into y and write ty and add suffix ing. Rule number 4, for a verb whose last syllable is written with a consonant, vowel, consonant and etc. Double the last letter before adding ing. We will just take the example. Bag. Bag is the verb. We will, here you will see G is the consonant, E is the vowel and again B is the consonant. We will double the consonant, the last letter, that is G. We will write B-E-G-G and add ing suffix ing. It becomes bagging. Same way, begin. In begin, we use C. N is the consonant, I is the vowel, G is the consonant again. Same way, we will double the N. We will write B-E-G-I-N-N, add suffix ing. Ing, it becomes beginning. However, there are some verbs where last syllable is not stressed and there should be no doubling. For example, enter. Enter. Here you see, we write entering. R is not doubled. Now, we will see how gerund acts in a sentence, whether as a subject or object. Gerunds can appear at the beginning of a sentence when used as a subject. When they are used as subject, they appear at the beginning of sentence. Here we have an example. Jogging is a hobby of mine. Jogging is the gerund. Second, gerunds can act as an object following the verb. Daniel quit smoking a year ago. Here is a simple example. Daniel quit. Quit is the verb. And smoking here is a gerund. It becomes the object. It becomes here object. Gerunds can serve as an object after a proposition. I look forward to helping you paint the object. I look forward to. To is the proposition and helping is the gerund. It becomes its object. It becomes I look forward. I is the subject. I is the subject. And whenever gerund is after the proposition, it becomes object. I look forward to helping you paint the house. Now we will see what are infinitives. An infinitive is a verb form that acts as noun in a sentence. We have already yesterday read about this. Acts as a noun in a sentence. It is formed with to proposition plus base form of the verb. For example, we say to buy, to work. Now let us see its use. Infinitives can be used as an object following the verb. Jim always forgets to eat. Here forgets is the verb. To eat becomes its object. To eat acts as an object. Jim is the subject. A subject at the beginning of a sentence may occur as a subject. Here, to travel around the world requires a lot of time and money. To travel here is the subject. An adverb modifying a verb. You promised to buy me a diamond ring. You promised you promised to buy me a diamond ring. Here, to buy. You promised to buy me a diamond ring. Promised is the verb. To buy acts here as an adverb. An adjective modifying a noun. Tara has the ability to succeed. Here, ability to succeed. Tara has the ability to succeed. Ability here is the noun, and to succeed here acts as an adjective. Some verbs are directly followed by an infinitive. Some verbs are directly followed by an infinitive. Here, do you want to call your family now? Do you want? Want is the verb. It is followed by an infinitive to call. Some verbs are directly followed by a noun or pronoun and then by an infinitive. I convinced Catherine to become vegetarian. I convinced Catherine to become vegetarian. See here. Convinced is the verb. Catherine is the subject, is the noun, and after that infinitive here comes to become. He advised me to sell all my shares of stock. He advised. Advised is the verb, me is the pronoun. To sell comes after that. Here, to sell is the infinitive. Some verbs can be followed by an infinitive or a gerund without causing a change in meaning. We will here take a sentence. Will you continue working after you give birth? We will write it in this way too. Will you continue to work after you give birth? The same meaning remains there. We use working as gerund and to work as an infinitive here. Some verbs can be followed by an infinitive or a gerund but with a change in meaning. He stopped drinking coffee. It means he never drank coffee again. See, he stopped to drink coffee. Here we have used infinitive to drink. It means he stopped what he was doing and drank some coffee. There is change in the meaning. Hope all of you have understood today's topic. Thank you all.